Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome and I hope you stay. Today I'm going to review a wax warmer from the company MelCap. Now you know it's getting warm and it's time to get rid of your hair. And I have decided this time to try a digital touchscreen wax warmer. So without wasting time, let's just go and see how it looks. So this is how it came in this, box over here. So this actually cost about $80, but it was on discount. So I got it for about 40. So it's like a 50% discount. So it comes with this booklet with different languages and it shows you how to use and clean the product. Okay, so on the screen you can see we've got the up and down options, we've got the solid wax option, and we've got the canned wax option. We've got a delay timer, obviously if you want to delay, and the start button. And at the top you can see the temperature in degrees Celsius over there. One thing I love about this is that it came with a cover. That's a plastic cover. Most of the wax warmers don't have covers, so I do appreciate this. And it also came with, the pen, so you don't need to buy a pen. And this is basically for if you want to use your hard wax, you just pour it into this pan and you heat it up. But if you want to use the canned wax, you need to get rid of the pan before heating. And I'll just go ahead and connect the plug, and as you can see it's very durable and it's quite long. So let's just go ahead and test it. I got my hard wax here and I'll just pour it into the pan. So basically, depending on the temperature you want, you can increase or decrease the temperature using the plus and minus sign. Since I am using the hard wax, I'll choose the solid option. Then afterwards, just long press start and it will just start. So it's going to get to about 125 degrees Celsius. Then when it's all melted, it will reduce to about 80 degrees Celsius and maintain that temperature. But if you want to decrease it, you can go ahead and decrease the temperature. So as you can see, my wax is all melted and this took about 30 minutes. Now, as you can see, you can use the delay timer option. If you're busy and you're going to be ready in an hour or two, you can preset the timer to an hour or two later. Then you can do whatever you want to do, and by the time you come back, it will all be melted up and ready for you. So after it's melted, this is at 80 degrees Celsius now, and I must say I like the consistency at this temperature. So yes, let me know, do you think you're gonna get a digital wax warmer? Do you think it's worth it, or you don't really like the idea? In my opinion, this really comes in handy. I prefer this to my old ones. And as you can see, the pan is non-stick, so you wouldn't have to waste so much time cleaning it. So yes, I'm loving this product and there's a big thumbs up for this product. So this is it, guys. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to leave me a big fat thumbs up. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye.